Is it possible to read faster and understand the text? In this video, I'm going to answer that. Hi, I'm Srinivas Vakati, founder of Expert Learners Academy. Few months back, I took a workshop with around 100 participants where I taught the techniques of speed reading. Before the workshop started, I asked every participant to calculate their reading speed, and the average reading speed was around 206 words per minute. In 3 hours, I shared various techniques of speed reading, and at the end of the workshop, I asked all the participants to calculate their reading speed. And the average reading speed of all the participants now has been increased to 326 words per minute. In just 3 hours, an average reading speed increased from around 200 words per minute to 300 words per minute. Yes, it is possible to read faster and still understand the text. Now, on the screen, I'm sharing with you the pre-reading speed and the post-reading speed of all the participants. In my workshops, I teach all the participants these 5 levels to master speed reading. The first level is to break the myths and misconceptions. We have been taught many things by our parents, by our teachers, and by society, which are actually not true with regards to reading. And second level is in which state of mind should you read. Because of these myths and misconceptions, you have developed a lot of bad reading habits. I teach how to stop these bad habits and develop good reading habits. And the fourth and fifth level is how do you use your eyes and your brain while reading. If you master these 5 levels, I am sure even you will be able to read faster and still understand what you are reading. Speed reading is a learnable skill, and even you can too. So, now one question you might be having now is how long does it take to see an improvement in your reading speed? From my experience, I can tell you will be able to see a decent increase in your reading speed in just 3 hours. Yes, just 3 hours. And if you practice all these techniques for few weeks, you will be able to double your reading speed or even triple your reading speed. If you want to know how you can double your reading speed or triple your reading speed, I recommend you check out my online course where I teach all these techniques and also a step by step system to read and finish any book faster. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on my email address. Thank you very much. Choose to be an expert learner.